Hi there! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access free e-audiobooks from the Whatcom County Library System. First, you'll need to download the free Libby app. This is our new and improved ebook and e-audiobook app. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up. From here, you can see ebook and e-audiobook titles. E-audiobooks are marked with the headphones icon. To only view e-audiobooks, select Preferences. Then select Format, and then choose Audiobooks. You'll see that I've also set my availability to only view available titles. If you'd like to see all titles, including ones with a waitlist, select Everything. Then choose Apply Preferences. Once you've applied your preferences, you'll only see available e-audiobook titles. When you found one you want, select it. From here, you can see the book's description. If you'd like to check the title out, select Borrow. Then choose how long you'd like to borrow the title. Choose from 7, 14, or 21 days. Then choose Borrow. The title will immediately begin downloading, and then you can open it up. Once you've opened the title, you'll see a few key options. A play and pause button in the center of your screen, the name of the book and chapter, time left in the book, a swipeable timeline that allows you to move forward and backward in the title. You can also swipe the book left to move forward or right to move backward. Select Library to return back to the library and search titles. Select Shelf to see your other loans and holds. In the upper part of the screen, you'll see a few extra tools. The timer icon allows you to speed up or slow down the audio. The moon icon allows you to set a timer for the book so you can pause it after a certain time has passed. The bookmark icon allows you to bookmark content and leave notes. Lastly, the menu in the upper right allows you to see the title's chapters, bookmarks, history, and tips and secrets if you'd like extra help using e-audiobooks from the library. And that's it. With the Libby app from the Whatcom County Library System, you can take free library ebooks and e-audiobooks with you everywhere. Get started by downloading the free app at meet.libbyapp.com. Thank you.